Hey foodies, welcome to Bengali. Today we are making Chingri or Prawn Malai Curry. This is a quintessential Bengali recipe commonly made on special occasions or on Sunday lunch in almost every Bengali household. So without wasting any time, let's check out our take on this recipe. Here we have taken 750 grams of medium sized prawns and marinate them with 1 teaspoon turmeric and salt as per taste. We mix gently using our hands, and when evenly done, we keep it to rest for at least 30 minutes. Now moving further, we cut 3 onions in dices like this and then put them in a mixer grinder and make a smooth paste. Like this. Similarly, we cut 2 tomatoes in dices and then also make a smooth paste out of this. In a pan, add about 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once oil is smoking hot, we add the prawns one by one carefully. Cover and cook the prawns under low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we check the pieces. Flip them to make sure they cook evenly from both the sides. Once it turns nice and golden, we take it off from the flame and fry the next batch of prawns in the same way. Now we add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in the same pan and then add onion paste that we made earlier and cook further. Meanwhile, in a grinding jar, we add 40 grams of poppy seeds or posto. We grind it once first. Now we add 2 green chilies and a little water and grind them to a smooth paste like this and keep aside. Coming back, we add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and mix well. Once the raw smell goes away, we add the tomato puree and give a good mix. Then we add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar and salt as per taste and stir for a minute. We now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and keep stirring for 2 minutes. After approx 2 minutes of cooking, we add the posto paste and continue stirring for 2 more minutes. Once done, now we add the prawns to the gravy. Mix very gently without breaking the prawns. And then finally we add the star maker of this recipe, that is coconut milk. We are adding 250 ml of coconut milk in this recipe. Give a nice and quick stir. Here we go, our prawn malai curry is almost done now. We finish it off with fresh cream and it's done now. We garnish with 2 slit green chilies and a dash of fresh cream. Mark our words, it's absolutely heavenly with hot steaming rice. Hope you like this recipe. Please try out this recipe once and don't forget to share your feedback with us. Thanks for watching.